I was injured in an accident in the Army. My bicep was ruptured in an accident. So I went to the dealership and I was going to buy a walker, and I looked at the brochure and I noticed they had a high lift option. So I figured perfect for me, being a disabled veteran. I could use the high lift and not mess with any cans and not mess with any bags, pulling bags off trailers, and it was just very difficult using my bicep with those options. We travel to the truck or trailer, and as we're traveling we push one button and it's slowly raising the hopper up. We get to the truck and we push another button, it dumps right in the truck, and then we push the buttons again to lower them, and we're right back to mowing. You don't even get off the machine. So I went to a loom line in Iowa and they custom made a flatbed trailer for me, and I had them make a legal widths for DOT inspection, so as wide as they possibly could. So as you can see, the reflectors or the marker lights are on flush with the inside or on top here, and then here I got my Roundup can and some gas cans and weed whacker cans.
Probably the best thing I like about the walker is the steering and the high dump, because then I don't have to get off the mower unless there's something in the yard I need to pick up.
And